Hello everyone, here's a Casablanca Delta 2 ceiling fan. I got at Fanimation. This fan, well, this one had an issue. Well, not necessarily, but, well, when I went to test it without the blades, it works fine. And then, when the blades were like loosened, two blades, and then when I would try to like hold on to it, and then when I tried to hide, it started to saw like a little light in there, and it was like a spark or something. Now when I tried with four blades, it sparked like a little bit, like a lot, like there was actually some sparks coming out of the switch cup, like right there. So when I looked into it, a couple wires were not capped on, so it was the blue and the white. That's usually for the light kit. So I capped them on today. Now, when we tested it this morning, it works perfectly, as it normal. So, and this one's also a 4-5 bladed motor. So, and also I do have another Delta 2 already, which is I have a Delta 2, which is right there. That white one I got a Habitat at Chantilly. So, I'm gonna go ahead and I'll show you the view of it. And this one does go low, medium, high. Goes kind of backwards. Glossy blades. Delta 2. There's a top. I know the white Delta 2 also has a 4-5 motor too. Oh, there's the Casablanca logo. This is actually my second Delta 2. And it kind of looks like a Panama. Looks like kind of like it has like a Panama, but the vents are kind of like twisted a little bit. It does kind of look similar to it though. And I'm going to give you a demonstration. Starting on low. There's low. Back up. Yeah, but thank goodness. And the sparks are like. The sparks are just like. Thank goodness the sparks didn't caught anything on fire, because that would be bad. Thank goodness. But thank goodness it was okay. I know there's a little bit burnt on the other side of the switch cap. Like when you take the switch cap off, you can see the Casablanca logo, and I saw like a little bit burnt. But it still works. I believe I got this from Pete, not Metal Pete, but it's a different Pete. And at first I didn't realize the wires are like capped on, but when I looked into it, it wasn't capped on, so I just capped it on there. Cause wire can catch metal things and sparks. So I should really look into that in every fan to make sure you don't spark another one. I mean, so hopefully, anyways, So how many Casablancas do I have? Okay, I got it. So I got the Lee Delta, Panama. Okay, I got Lee Delta, Delta 2 in white, Panama. So this is probably like this is like my fifth Casablanca fan. One day I might do Casablanca week, and I can probably like do all 5 fans, or I might make it up to 7 because it's like the 7 days of the week. And yeah, I still haven't made a video of the Panama yet because the camera didn't telepatch. But the rest of the parts did. Well, actually, except for the name trim. Oh, okay. Go turn to low. I mean, not low. Medium. Here we go. Here's one. I do love Deltas and Panamas. Also, I have animation in the parking lot. Well, when Mark Wilson was selling the Casablanca, Mark Wilson was actually selling the Casablanca Venus. It was like in black and it was like in black. Yeah, I don't have any of those. There's a white one too. The white one wasn't. No, the white one. Alright, so what I'm saying is there was no white one for sale. Yeah, I didn't see one, and there was no white one there. So it's just a black one. The only. Oh. Turned high. I'm gonna run for a minute or two. Okay, alright. I'm gonna keep it up to the camera. Sorry, I got a little bit of cold or allergies. It was a lot of air. Turn it off. Turn it off. Alright guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Next video, 5 blades. Hello, alright guys, here's the Casablanca Delta 2 with 5 blades. So, I'm going to be going ahead and turn it to. Alright, so. Alright, so. I want to show you a good view. It's 5 blades. Got the 5 blades now. Logo. There's the top. jump to low. There we go. Here's low. I'm going to go ahead and turn to medium. This is medium. Alright. I'm going to turn it high. Yeah, I'm recording. Go turn it off. Go turn this thing off. I'm gonna turn it off. Turn it off. Right. So reverse. Yeah, it does have a reverse switch. Well, that seems to work. Medium. I'm gonna turn it off for a few seconds. Alright, there we go. That's it. It's a Casablanca Delta 2. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoy. Bye.